Today is not just an ordinary day because later we will know the greatest servant here in BCBP. Are you all ready? Yes.
Okay, well anyway, this morning, brothers and sisters, we are tasked to discuss a servant's heart. Okay. So after the presentation, we are all expected to, number one,
Understand the heart of a servant.
number two,
Identify the biblical characteristic of the heart of a servant.
and develop and apply the heart of a servant attitude in the service to BCBP and of course to our family, no? Okay.
Yes. And they are wearing their...
But what do you mean by the word servant?